Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen. Today I am making a stovetop mac and cheese. A few months ago I did a baked mac and cheese and it's so delicious. But this one is really about getting it on the table quick, and kids love it because typically they know mac and cheese from the boxed variety. I'm starting with 3 tablespoons of butter. This goes into a pan that's on a medium heat. You're just going to melt that. That was 42 grams of butter, 3 tablespoons. This is a 1/4 cup of flour, which is 26 grams. Flour goes in. I'm just going to switch to a whisk. You don't want any color on this per se. This is how you make a roux. And this is the basis for a lot of foods. And you just kind of let that cook for just a minute or so. You see it's starting to get blonde. And that's where we want to stop this. So now I'm just going to pour in milk, and I'm going to pour that all in at once because I saw there were no lumps in there. And in a few minutes, this starts to thicken up and becomes bubbly and thicker, and that's when we move on. I'm going to turn this up to a medium-high heat, and at the same time that I'm doing this, I have some macaroni, some elbow macaroni in the back that's on the back burner. You can use so many different interesting pastas. My favorite is cavatappi, which is this long canal type of thing. But this is a kid dish. They know elbow mac, and so so that's what I'm using. But you can use a penne, any short noodle that has a canal in it, a little opening in it, is perfect for this. This pasta just came off. I just drained it and I reserved some of the water because you never know. Never throw all of your pasta water out. This has been cooking for, I would say 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and it's gotten really creamy and beautiful. So now I'm adding, that's 2 teaspoons of dry mustard. And I'm also going with 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You can also use a hot pepper sauce, and a prepared mustard is fine. But when you use those, just know that you're going to get vinegar in your dish, which is fine. I've done both and they're both delicious. That's now off the heat, and in goes the cheese. This is 12 ounces of cheese, which is 340 grams. And this is all cheddar. It's a sharp cheddar, but you can certainly mix your cheeses. That's always delicious. And by the way, that was 2 cups of milk, which is 500 milliliters. So see, off the heat, this melts in no time. And that's it. That's your cheese sauce. Now, this pasta, the box says that to come to an al dente stage, perfect al dente would be 7 minutes. So I took this off at 5 minutes because it keeps cooking once you pour this sauce on. This was 12 ounces, so 3/4 of a pound of pasta. I can't imagine that the whole family isn't going to just dive into this. It's really a great dish. The sauce took about 5 minutes to go together, and so did the pasta. So 5 minutes instead of having all those chemicals from your mac and cheese. You can do a beautiful mac and cheese stovetop in no time. I hope you tried this. It's really good. And please follow me here on YouTube by subscribing. Bye, guys.